Hi guys, I stopped at Target and noticed that they're starting to put out spring summer stuff next to their Valentine's inventory in my store. They already are having fire pits and grills and patio furniture and gardening stuff. So I wanted to just do a quick video so you can see what to expect this coming couple of seasons, I guess. They have some, I really love those plant steaks. They have mushrooms and gnomes, and I think a bird or a rabbit. So cute. So, some fun bird houses and bird feeders. Some of their outdoor pillows are out already. I like that the plaid ones there. You can see that there's, huge empty spots still. So obviously there's going to be more put out, but you, you can see there's just a ton of packages that haven't been opened yet. So some different type cushions and tables, I guess, like, I don't know, side table. I'm not sure what this is going to be displaying. Then they have just more cushions. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. I really appreciate the support. They have some outdoor lights already, similar to what IKEA sells, it looks like. I liked this mesh wall. It didn't have a price on it, but I think that's really neat. For people who don't have a lot of space for plants, you can put them on there. These are candle holders, which I thought were really cool looking. And I think they're going to have quite a bit more of those. So more pillows. So many pillows and cushions. And there's going to be more, I'm sure.